nobhuti wethu ubhuti Floyd uyowasha kanjalo nakaqeda ukungena ka MK ukuthi no mina noma ngideploywa noma yikuphi ngiright kodwa manje njengoba sekasusiwe kule position seka member sekayakhala bangumsini awuqamba amanga na njengaye.
Okay, hence ngisho I've given you an example ngithi mina umkhonto wesizwe mawuqala akekho umuntu ogijima njengokhehlelezi, akekho umuntu osebenzisa imali yakhe njengokhehlelezi. If I were to go back maybe my bank statement yami with business yami ngiyobheka bank statement yami maybe sengispendile more than 10 million. Ngeke sikwazi thina ukuthi sividwe uFloyd vele uFloyd unje. Thank you to the president Ubaba Msholozi. He came to show his support ukuthi no siyazwelana nawe ebandleni bajabulile nefamily ijabulile. So sifisa ukubonga futhi naloko mfowethu ukuthi president wasikhombisa ukuthi usinakile siyabantwana bakhe senze umsebenzi.
Nonxa sedudu makalale ngixolo senimbekile.
Sesimbekile, yes, I think it was 3 weeks back.
Okay.
Simbekile mfana futhi waMkhize Sibongo.
Bekana ngakhe?
Bekana 28, 27.
Bekasemncane.
Bekasemncane, he was very active because njalo masimobilize senza ama programs uyena gijimana, ma pamphlets, loud hailing, memezela yonke into ngithuma bona. Bafana aba active sase ku youth.
Okay. Muhle umsebenzi enwenza lapha ka MK kodwa most South Africans khona manje kuba sengathi they are concerned about some of the things ezenzakala ku MK. Before siqala ngayo iphathi ngiqale nawe. Umsebenzi omuhle owenzile ngiyazi ukuthi urekruthe inyanga I think at some point is 400 mhlawumbe ungazichazela kabanzi ngalokho.
Yes, I did. Ngi-recruit inyanga ezi 400 eSoweto. The program, I think I did that 2 months back, if I'm not mistaken. Lawa ngena kona inyanga ezi 400. You remember ukuthi I'm the national chair interim so mina ngidila nawo kakhulu. So I'm doing well even though kunzima. Uyazi ukuthi akazi kwabalula into enabantu abaningi. Angeke niye one direction nonke. Kunabanye abafuna ukuphuma the other way around. MK growing. Ngifuna ukubona ukhulu MK. There is more on the 19th of July. So besisemanguza. Le mawubheke eMozambique. Le side lokomkhanya kude. I'm promising you there. Maybe membership ezotholakala lapha maybe 25,000 because we are busy, we are working asilala siyasebenza, so iyona into engiyithanda le.
Khona maye qeda ukuvuleka isikhundla saka SG mawuthi awulali uyasebenza awufani nalaba mhlamba bazama ukusebenzela izikhundla ukuthi mhlamba ufuna lesa sikhundla sika SG.
Oh, okay.
Noma mhlamba isikhundla esithile ku leadership ngoba nyakwazi uleader in your own right lo msebenzi owenzayo nenyanga.
Yes.
Nokulapha.
Okay, it's a good question because that's why umbuzo right engizophendula umuntu osekhaya. When it comes to position, mina nginandaba ne positions. I've got ibandla okuthiwa isithelo sika Jehova. Isithelo sika Jehova, it's only ushintsha igama isithelo sika Jehova and sinomkhonto wesizwe. Indlela esirana noma engirana ngayo isithelo sika Jehova, maybe it's mostly the same way in the organization because I'm the archbishop and the founder, or I can say the president. So yonke lento yenzakalayo iyenzeka nasebandleni lami. Abantu bayayibanga ikhundla. And why should I worry about the position? Because ebandleni lami ngiyi-archbishop. I can do whatever that I want. Ibandla lami ligcwele all over, even sikhona naseZimbabwe, naseBotswana, naseSwaziland. La eSouth Africa siwest. If ngiyabahlanganisa bonke ibandla lami maybe sila ko 8,000. Mahlangene bonke abantu bami. eZambia futhi naseZambia futhi. So I'm not worried about the position emkhontweni wesizwe. Mina emkhontweni wesizwe angizelanga indlala. Number 1. Kunomehluko phakathi komuntu ozela indlala nomuntu ozela iposition. I don't worry about if ngangizela iposition. Kwakufanele ukuthi makuqala ukhethwa abantu abaye eParliament. Mina igama lami lingatholakali khona. Bekufanele ngivele ngiphelelwe amandla, ngiqale ngikhulume kabi ngimkhonto wesizwe. But kunaloko ngenze worse. It shows you usekhaya I'm not here for a position. Mina ngizofuna ukubona umuntu wakithi omnyama ekhululekile. And futhi ngiyathanda ukugijima manje ngana position because ngikwazi ukukhuluma noma yini because I don't have a position. The day ngaqala ngafakwa ku position, ngeke kunezinto engeke ngikwazi ukuyikhuluma because I have to respect my position. Okwamanje ku right ngijima ku yellow line. Lozo ukhetheleza ugijima njengobani. Lo muntu you must be worried about him or her. Njengamanje you are saying kune space as SG. Let them go for it. Abafunayo, those who think they can do it because kunabantu abafuna ama position amakhulu kunabo, but they can't manage them. Mina I know very well ukuthi angifuna position. Right ngijimela ku yellow line, but imisebenzi yami iyangikhulumela. If they were to say, do you want to be given a chance as to be a SG? No. Yeah.
Abanye abantu basuka bawaqamba manga kodwa nakukhona ama camera bathi no cha ngifuna iposition ngifuna ukuba normal member nje ngiseve nje nobhuti wethu ubhuti Floyd uyowasha kanjalo nakaqeda ukungena ka MK ukuthi no mina noma ngideploywa noma ikuphi ngiright kodwa manje njengoba sekasusiwe kule position seka normal member sekayakhala bangumsini awuqamba manga abanga na njengaye.
Okay, hence ngisho I've given you an example. Ngithi mina umkhonto wesizwe mawuqala akekho umuntu ogijima njengokhethelezi, akekho umuntu osebenzisa imali yakhe njengokhethelezi. If I were to go back maybe my bank statement yami ku business yami ngiyobheka bank statement yami maybe sengispendile more than 10 million buying people t-shirts, not only in KZN. I said to you Sbu, I bought a car, even iSuzu nganikela emkhontweni ngathi le organization abantu abafuna ukumobilize wherever, not only ukuthi ngibani event iphela, wherever la ibizwa khona ngifaka petrol idwala ngo-1,800 ngiyifaka hambani yosebenza o driver ngibakhokhela. If bekuthiwa ngempela bengifuna iposition kwakufanele ukuthi maye igama lami lingatholakala okokuqala kudeploy abantu le eParliament kuthiwa okay alikho igama lenyanga likhona lapha, mina bekufanele ngithi bamba into zami ngiqede nami ngikhoxe ngidlalele, but I didn't do that. Ngisagijima wes ngisagijima kakhulu, I'm pushing. Mina mangibona abantu bakithi benyuswa beyale, I don't have a problem. Whoever obekwa phambi kwami kuthiwa Khethelezi, this is the leader. Kuyasho phela ngithi mina Sbu mawuthwasa uyatshela ukuthi hlonipha umuntu obekwe phambi kwakho yi-leadership. Ngihlonipha umuntu obekwe phambi kwami mina ngaleso sikhathi. So lokho kumele kukunike uma ngithi mina angiyanga eParliament kumele ukutshele ukuthi Shem uqinisile akanayo, is not worried about position. I'm not worried about position. Mina ngiyasebenza. Umuntu ongaziyo owazi izinto zami uba intimidated mayingibona lapha, uba intimidated mayingibona nginobaba because uzocabanga ukuthi lo muntu ufuna iposition but abakwazi ukuthi bathi ngidla imali yomkhonto because they know very well ukuthi mina nginemali yami angidingi ukuthi manginerali. I'll tell you something ongayazi. Do you know zonke lezi zinto obona ngihamba ngizenza yimina ngiyifanda mina yonke lento sukuyibona komukela abantu stage sound ukudla yini in transport, I fund it from my own pocket. Maybe umkhonto maybe ulekeleleka yi1 la kade ngireceive khona abantu abawu 2,600. Yes, they did put imali u100,000 angifuna ukubaqambela mama, but the whole event it cost imali more than 500,000. Angifuni imali yomkhonto, ngiyazenzela ngothando lisuka kimi. So I'm not worried about positions. Umuntu othi vele abantu abaningi bathi emkhontweni hayi anisiyeke ngalona into yethu kusekude ukuthi lo, because yabona abantu babengana bane mentality efanele kaKhethelezi singawina somkhonto. Yes sizowina usa izinto zomuntu izindala ukuthi hayi ngeke sikwazi thina ukuthi silidwe uFloyd vele uFloyd unje yekani ama scandals wakho. Akekho umuntu ongana scandal empilweni, akekho umuntu ongana scandal empilweni. Mina ngihlala ngisho mina ngiyithanda secret life, anginayo secret. Noma ngifonela ngizotshela abantu ukuthi I don't have a secret empilweni. Impilo yami ku social media, what you see is who I am. Yilokho engiyikhona, anginayo imfihlo. Ngihlala ngithi noma ngathiwa maybe ngifakwa ukuthiwa uKhethelezi mina bese uthi uzongilandela secret, angina secret mina. Whatever is on social media yilo okunye kuya createwa ezama ungishaya phansi but anginayo.
Sekune inkulumo eningi abanye abantu sebathi uyathakatha. abanye bathi uzaze kanjani lezinto ezenzakala khona manje eMzansi ngoba uthe unyaka mawuqala ngoJanuary ubulawe na kule podcast zonke into oyikhulumile ukuthi zizokwenzakala eMzansi zenzakele angikhulumi nge-MK kuphela ewakhuluma nangepresident ewakhuluma ngokukwenzakala ku-TikTok ewakhuluma nangabanye
commissioner.
Sadly also spoke about abanye abangakithi bako SABC abazoshona ama-producer bonke kwenzakele okubi nokuhle kwenzakele okushilo including lokho ngizokudlalela khona manje from kuyona le podcast ngoJanuary naye enye into oyewayisho. By the way, for those who did not see that episode, go to maybe 30 episodes ago, maybe 40 episodes ago, yani ngoJanuary somewhere around lapho niyo check episode engiyenze.
Maybe you need to repost it.
Yeah, mhlamba must repost it.
Yeah.
Because when I would say
MK because vele bengisuka MK angisazi ngiyibona uthi
sorry.
MK because vele bengisuka MK angisazi ngiyibona uthi
Hade kancane.
I remember.
Hayi ngifuna bazwe qala no ithi bazwe. Ngoba tshela. Hade kancane.
MK because vele bengisuka MK angisazi ngiyijoin MK. It's going to do very well. It's going to do very well, but June, July, August, 3 months. No. April, March, April, May. March, April, May. 3 months. Unento ezodiscover uZuma. Azoyibamba. Kunabantu abaseduze kwakhe abazinyoka. 2 people. Very close. Kufika igama ke kuthiwa ama-infiltrators. They are there to collect the information. Bambathe isikhumba semvu kanti bazibisi. Even 2 people who are in the organization right now abambathe isikhumba semvu kanti they are there to collect the information or to win inhliziyo zabantu. And ubaba uzoyidiscover, mayidiscover uzothi mayizama ukudilana nabantu and lose the focus yokuthi njengamanje fanele ngabe senza lokho azama ukudilana nabantu and leyo nto izomlimaza enhlizweni imlimaze nempilo yakhe end up isimvusela ushukela ese-attend esibhedlela uzogula maduze eguliswa abantu abazinyoka. But I did pray ngaphasa ukuthi kumele kube ne-negligence ne-leakage uleake something ivele lento izovela maduze. MK 2026 it is your year unyaka wena provided provided u-ANC unento u-ANC kutsheke imizi-2
Yes.
uyathusa sometimes mina ngisemjwayele mara there's sometimes ambheke izinto nokuthuka ngithi lo muntu lo.
Okay, let me explain to that one. Abantu ababuyele abayeke ama-personal agendas. Idiphu lengizoyikhuluma. Usibu noma simzonda kanjani. But usibu makaphiwu like wena. Uphiwe ukuthi uyaphusha strong. Sebengasho nje ukuthi hayi ngoba since waqala ukhendlela izinto uthwalanga sibu. Awuthwalanga ngazi ngikunike ngisho amanzi abusisiwe ngazi even ngithandazela amanzi idini.
Abantu bathi ngisebenzisa igroup zabo.
Umuntu
obanokutshela nawo. Bathi ngisebenzisa igroup zabo.
Yes, always. Yes. Ngoba nginikele into ayiniwusibu. Siyakwazi ukunikela usibu isinike nathi. Yabo angikhumbule ngithandazela ngisho amanzi nginikeze. Okay, nayi sibu. If abantu beliqiniso ababukele ya video, that is just a piece. Ikhona la ngisho khona i-prophecy of 2025. Ngikhuluma ngisho nango commissioner wamaphoyisa kuba umkhwanazi.
Khulumela ngopresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Njengoba ngisho khulumela ngabasebenzi base-SABC.
Exactly.
Khuluma ngento eziningi.
All those
most yazo zenzakele.
And
that's hardly 6 months ago.
That kumele inika abantu bakithi ukuthi let's respect i-prediction yenyanga zakithi. I'm not the only prophet, but ziningi inyanga kumele bayihloniphe eyikhuluma izinto zenzeke. Namanje before ngisuke la sibu ngizokutshela iprofesi ezokwenzeka usuka la
Yo, before the end of the year.
before ngisuke kule podcast namhlanje.
Sengisho izinto zakhona zizowenzakala before the end of this year.
Yes.
Yo.
Ngizoprofetha. And kunama ngiprofetha abantu bayirekhode.
Yo.
Ukuze bonke labangangifuni, yazi yangihlekisa lento. Uyazi umuntu ongafuni mase zenzeka izinto. Uhamba uyidlala eseyiwani shawe pride. Athi lo umuntu kwasho lo. Eniyenzeke exactly. Ngihlekiswe ngisho noma ngihlola umuntu esikolweni. Ngimhlola umbone ukuthi ungithatha kancane. Isikhathi esiningi mina mangihlola umuntu angimbuki kanje ebusweni. Ibuke ifoni yami ngicofela ifoni yami kanje. Icofela ifoni yami ngingabuki. Abanye azibazi bathini? Hayi lo muntu maybe kunento ayibuka la efonini siyathula. Ngithi manje I'm not carrying my phone angenza ngizoprofetha manje. Ngizoprofetha mina. Kungcono ngoba sibu ayikho inyanga efanana. Mina sengatestwa ku Soweto TV. I did it live. Khosi FM, Metro FM, Radio 2000, East Coast Radio, Hlobo Enene, Kwekwezi FM, lesedangaza ni zonke sengayo. Ngaprofeta live. Ngizoprofeta futhi asiqhubeke. Ngithe kulento idlalile kunezinyongo ezodiscover. I won't say names, but here I will highlight one thing. Abantu bakithi kumele they must be very very careful. Ngicela ukukhuluma ngoDuduzi. Uzokhuluma ngoDuduzi.
Awusiduduzi.
Yes.
Awusiduduzi. Sizomuhle kakhulu.